In today's video, I want to give you 5 don'ts you shouldn't do on social media or Facebook so that you get the most out of your social media posting. And we are starting right now, but stay until the end where you find out the one you certainly cannot do. If we have not been formally introduced, my name is Annette T-Block, and yes, I am a digital adopter. So when you have not subscribed yet to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the little bell so that you get notified every time we are bringing out a new video. You can reach me anytime, so you have down my email here, but also you can reach out, comment below if you have any question. We always come back and will answer any question you may have. So let's jump into our number 1. The first thing you shouldn't do is to concentrate only on likes and love and care and the emojis you are getting out of your social media. Especially when we are talking about Facebook and Instagram, you don't just want to concentrate on the likes you are getting. The most important for you is the engagement you can achieve with your posts. So you want to focus on engagement, where people now engage with your content, and especially when they are commenting under your post, now you should comment back, give them a thank you, or whatever the conversation is started with. Now you can reward them with a little like or love or care, but also you should focus on the engagement. If somebody posts, certainly post back and maybe ask a question or whatever the post is all about. So your main focus should be the engagement you are getting with your post and not just the likes and loves. So yes, it is nice to see how many likes you have, but most important for you and for social media algorithm are the engagement you are getting out of your post. So our number 2 is don't be everywhere and anywhere. You will end up nowhere. Especially we here in the real estate industry, we want to be everywhere and anywhere. We want to be citywide, we want to be community-wide, we want to be county-wide, we want to be statewide, we want to be all over, but that will hurt you at the end. You actually want to get the people you want to serve to get to know you, and you can only reach those people when you stay within your community and provide hyper-local relevant content so that you speak to the community you want to serve. So this is very important, that you are not anywhere and everywhere, because at the end nobody will get to know you, because you are there, and nobody really can focus on what you have to give. People want to get to know the community, and at the same time they can get to know you when you are focusing on your community and giving them the relevant information. Now you want also, don't forget to do videos. That's our tip number 3. You want to do videos. Don't do not videos. That's like a tongue breaker, right? But you want to do videos, so don't forget to do your videos. Videos gives you a huge advantage, because now with video, it is much easier for the consumer to connect with you, to see your emotion, to see if you know what you are talking about, or if you just do it on a glimpse. They want to get to know you, and the first thing they see in the video, if they can connect with you, if they like you, and if they like the content you provide. So very important, when you don't do videos, you will lose out very big, because it is much easier for you to connect with your audience when you do videos, and now they can see who you are as a person. Then also our third third, no, we are already number 4. Oh, we are number 4. So with number 4, with our tip number 4 is where you want to post your business posts directly to your business page. You have to see your business page as your website, as your representation, and Facebook especially makes it very, very easy when they watch your content on your business page. They don't have to come forward and can watch as long they want without getting bothered by anyone. And that's the beauty of Facebook, giving your consumer and your clients the ability to watch without being watched. So when you want to share your business content to your personal page, we recommend that you post everything first on your business page, and then you can share the same post over to your personal page, and you will get double the engagement over on your business page. So it is very important, especially when you are going into data collection, if you are going into engagement, and also you don't want to violate Facebook terms. So that makes it sure that your account is not in violation. And our tip number 5, as promised, this is the biggest tip you cannot forget when you are posting out in social media. But before we come to this tip, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the little bell so you will get notified every time we are doing a video. And we love to have you here on our channel and share everything what we do and know with you. So number 5 tip. Do not forget to put a CTA into place. CTA is nothing else than call to action. All your posts or your videos should have a call to action telling the consumer what to do next. It is very, very important, because if somebody watches your content and you are so interesting that they really tune into you and you forget to tell them what to do next, they will forget and don't know what to do. So pre-prepared, pull all the time a call to action in your post or in your video so that your consumer knows what to do next. Tell them to like your page, tell them to comment on the page below and ask any question. If you have a guide, tell them to click the link above so that they can get a guide. Whatever you are offering, tell your consumer what to do next, and do not just wander off of your video or of your post and leave your consumer hanging in there. I believe that is the most important, because when we are telling our consumer what to do next, we are giving them the direction and they feel much, much safer what to do at the next step. So I hope I helped you today. I would like you to, if you like this video, like it, share it, but also don't forget to subscribe, ring the little bell or click the little bell, and then you will be notified every time a new video comes on. For today, thanks for watching. Dankeschön and auf Wiedersehen.